In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Bitvavo to MEXC. So first, just open up Bitvavo and select a cryptocurrency that you own and that you want to transfer over to MEXC. Now, I don't recommend using Bitcoin for this because Bitcoin has very high fees. For example, I'll just use Ether. Then from here, after you buy some or if you already own some and you don't have to do that, just go ahead and click on the withdraw button at the top of your screen and click on this continue button to enable crypto withdrawals. After you enable it, or if you've already done that, then right here you will see a section where you can paste in a wallet address. So now just open up MEXC and from here just click on deposit now and select deposit crypto, and then here for the cryptocurrency just select the same one that you pick on Bitvavo. So I selected USDT, then you pick the network. So for the network, again, you want to go back to Bitvavo and you will be able to see it there. So for example, if this one work on the Ethereum network, I could select Ethereum, but just pick whatever it says for you on Bitvavo since it differs per cryptocurrency. So after doing that, it says deposit address and then you can click right here to generate the address. So then you can skip and now you have your wallet address. Now we can make sure that it's the same cryptocurrency and the same network as you have on Bitvavo. Otherwise, your money will be lost. So then if it is, then just copy this wallet address, go to Bitvavo and paste it and choose how much you want to send and then go and confirm it, and then the money will be on its way to your MEXC account. Now I recommend just making a smaller transfer first to see if the money shows up in your MEXC account. Now you know how to send money from Bitvavo to MEXC. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.